Hi, the coffee here looks strong today.
Yeah, I think they changed the beans.
Thanks. Do you come here often?
Almost every morning.
Do you like their coffee?
Yes, it's the best around.
What do you usually order?
A cappuccino. You?
Just black coffee, no sugar.
Strong choice.
Do you take sugar?
No, only milk.
Do you eat breakfast here too?
Sometimes a muffin or croissant.
Are you working today?
Not really, just checking emails.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, 2 streets away.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. You?
I'm a teacher. English, actually.
Oh, nice. Then I should practice with you.
Do you enjoy your job?
Most days, yes. It's creative.
Do you work long hours?
Usually until 5. You?
I finish around 3, then prepare lessons.
That sounds organized.
Do you work from home sometimes?
Yes, 2 days a week.
Do you like working at home?
Yes, but I miss this coffee smell.
Same here. Do you come alone?
Mostly, yes. Quiet time.
Do you bring your laptop?
Always. Free Wi-Fi here.
Do you get distracted?
Sometimes by people talking.
Do you listen to music while working?
Yes, soft jazz. You?
I prefer lo-fi beats. Helps me focus.
That's relaxing.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, calm and bright.
Do you wake up early?
Around 7. You?
6:30, but I snooze the alarm.
Me too. Always twice.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Sometimes toast.
Do you cook often?
Yes, almost every day.
What do you usually cook?
Pasta or rice bowls.
Do you like spicy food?
A little. Not too hot.
What's your favorite meal?
Pizza. Yours?
Grilled chicken with salad.
Healthy choice.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Twice a day.
Don't you feel nervous from caffeine?
Sometimes, but I love the taste.
Do you try new drinks?
Yes, every season.
Have you tried iced latte here?
Yes, in summer. So good.
Do you like summer?
Yes, but too hot sometimes.
What's your favorite season?
Spring. Not too cold, not too warm.
Same. Do you like rainy days?
Only when I stay home.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Always in my bag.
Do you check the weather before going out?
Every morning.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, perfect coffee weather.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, 5 minutes away.
Do you walk here?
Yes, it's nice exercise.
Do you drive?
No car, just a bike.
Do you like cycling?
Yes, especially evenings.
Do you go out often?
Mostly weekends.
Do you have many friends here?
A few close ones.
Do you go out together?
Yes, dinner or movies.
Do you like movies?
Very much.
What's your favorite type?
Comedy or mystery.
Do you watch in English or local language?
English with subtitles.
Good practice. Do you read books too?
Yes, every night.
What kind?
Novels and travel stories.
Do you read paper books or e-books?
Paper. Feels better.
Do you highlight sentences?
Sometimes.
Do you remember quotes easily?
Only meaningful ones.
Do you write as well?
A little poetry.
Wow, that's cool. Do you share it online?
Not yet. Too shy.
You should. Do you use social media much?
Just Instagram.
Do you post often?
Maybe once a week.
Do you follow travel pages?
Yes, they inspire me.
Do you travel often?
Once or twice a year.
Where did you go last?
Thailand.
Did you like it?
Loved the beaches.
Do you take photos when you travel?
Always. Hundreds.
Do you edit them?
Yes, light and colors.
Do you share them online?
A few, not all.
Do you buy souvenirs?
Small magnets.
Do you plan trips early?
Yes, I like lists.
Do you travel alone?
Sometimes. It's peaceful.
Do you get lonely traveling solo?
Not really. I meet people.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
Mountains. You?
Beaches. I love the sea sound.
That's calming.
Do you like nature walks?
Yes, very relaxing.
Do you take photos of sunsets?
Always. Every time.
Do you like mornings or nights?
More the evenings. Soft lights.
Do you like music at night?
Yes, quiet playlists.
What's your favorite band?
Coldplay.
Do you go to concerts?
Not often.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Do you dance?
At parties, a little.
Do you go to the gym?
Not anymore. I do yoga.
Do you do yoga daily?
3 times a week.
Do you feel better after?
Always relaxed.
Do you meditate too?
Sometimes before sleep.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights, yes.
Do you dream?
Funny dreams sometimes.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, never.
Do you clean your home then?
Saturday morning.
Do you live alone?
No, with a roommate.
Do you get along well?
Yes, she's nice.
Do you share chores?
We take turns.
Do you cook together?
Sometimes pizza nights.
Sounds fun. Do you invite friends?
Yes, small gatherings.
Do you like parties?
Not too loud ones.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, wine.
Do you prefer sweet or dry?
Sweet.
Do you like chocolate?
Love it.
What's your favorite dessert?
Cheesecake. Yours?
Brownies, always.
Delicious.
Do you bake at home?
Yes, cakes and cookies.
Do you follow recipes?
Mostly from YouTube.
Do you watch cooking videos?
Yes, every night.
Do you like trying new food?
Definitely.
Do you ever fail recipes?
Many times.
Happens to all of us.
True.
Do you like cooking too?
Yes, simple dishes.
Do you cook for friends?
Sometimes dinner parties.
Do they like your food?
They say yes.
Time flies. How long have we been talking?
Almost an hour.
Do you want another coffee?
Sure, one more.
Do you come here tomorrow too?
Maybe in the morning?
Great. Do you mind if I join again?
Not at all. I'd like that.
Perfect. Same table?
Same table.